We're going to look at how we can create a landing page by using Elementor tools, Elementor page builder. Now, first of all, you need to create a page, obviously. So what you do is actually you go to your page menu on the left here, on the left side here. So first of all, of course, you need to log into your dashboard first. Okay, then you look for web page. Right, you need the add page. Landing page is also another page. Okay, when you found the page, click on the page. All right, page, and then let it load. Okay, and then you add new. All right, and just click add new. All right, which is here, add new, and then all right, when load up. So let's put for example, okay, a landing page for your easy understanding. Landing page. Right, of course, your landing page not necessarily you have to name it landing page, right? For example, because you're depending on what products you may have multiple products, so each of this landing page is selling one product or one service. Okay, in our case is I can sell SEO services, we can sell chatbot trainings, all right, and so on and so forth. So you want to name it, right? Okay lah, let's do it. I'll name it so it's much easier for you. Okay, let's example I'm selling SEO training. All right, so I will name it SEO training. Now before you add anything else, I will suggest you to save a draft first, so at least you know if a so-called and practice or habits to just do a save draft, at least whatever you do will not be lost. So then you click on save draft. Just make sure you save the draft first. All right, so when you save draft, okay, now you want to edit with Elementor. Elementor is another page builder. All right, so what we mean by page builder is basically how you use a tool to build your page in different blocks. In page building software and also actually you build by block. So this time around, what you do is you actually edit with Elementor. You just click on edit with Elementor. Click edit with Elementor. Okay, and let it load. Okay, because Elementor will take time to load into your page. Now let it just a while. Let it just load it. Okay. All right. So now you have actually the Elementor load into your page. Now this page is my landing page for SEO training. All right. Of course, it will comes with the tagline. Of course, this is actually my current mock page. I actually put memories together. Okay, I should have just done, like for example, wedding photography and all this, but doesn't matter. It just to show you how actually it's done and all things as well. So in Elementor, you can actually edit different elements. This is like building a block. So a block by a block. For example, whatever elements you put in, you build a first block, and then you put a second block, and so on and so forth. Now today I'm going to teach you how actually a shortcut, not really a shortcut, a quick way of creating a landing page, okay, which already have a template. So I'm just going to teach you how to put into a template. I believe that's what everybody is looking for at this moment, because building a blog, then you know, you do not know what to put first, what to put next, how to design on the left and the right. Now of course, one tip is actually you can do is actually go to visit your competitor, okay, or landing page, see how they actually build that. Now that is not asking you to copy, but actually model along with what they have done, if they're done really successful. Example, at first, what do they put? Do they put a form? Do text about text? Do they put infographics? They put graphics? Do they put picture? Where do they put videos, and so on and so forth, right? If you will find some really good landing page, so where actually works and convert very well, but doesn't matter. For a quick start, right, what we can do is actually we load a template. So what you do is actually you go to the plus button here, next to it, and it's actually a folder that's actually a template folder. So what you do is you click on the folder. All right, then there are templates is ready. All right, the template which is ready for you to edit upon. All right, so what you do is if you mouse it over, you can see that actually it's like about page, contact page, service page. Okay, this is again landing page. So most of the things that actually written there landing page, be more on for landing page. Of course, there's a home page and so on and so forth, then actually you can edit. Now be careful, right? If you're selecting all these templates, some are actually labeled as pro. If you see properly here, next to it, and all things, it's actually a pro. You can look at pro, all right? All these are pro version. So which means that you need to subscribe to pro versions in order to use those templates. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's try on something that is actually free first before you actually choose on the paid template and all these things as well, right? So at this point of time, wow, so many of them already turned to pro. Okay, let's use the free one at this point of time. All right, so let's look at this one. All right, okay, let's look at this landing page hotel. So what you do is, if you mouse it over, you can see this is called this here, the green words, it says insert. So what you do is you just click on the insert. Okay, so if you're doing it at the first time, okay, for the first time, you may have to log into Elementor and it's sort of like create an account in order to have this template insert into your landing page. Okay, just follow the steps. I will not be able to show it to you because I already registered. So in a sense, just log in, register an account, and then they allow you to use some of the free template. Now, for example, all this free template, how do you actually edit? So what you do is just go, you can mouse it over. For example, you see your logo here. Obviously, this logo, don't be fooled by it, okay? Because when you click on the pencil here, right, always when you edit on the website, and also you see pencil, which means you can edit something on it, like either edit pictures, edit words, and maybe even graphics. Then all things are. In this case, you just click on edit heading. Okay, unfortunately, right, because this template is free, they will not allow you to put in a real logo and all those things as well. So what you do is, what you can do is actually you just put a name. For example, your logo instead, I'll just put DMN, for example. So no, why DMN? DMN. All right. Of course, you want someone to click on it and go somewhere else as destination. You can always put a link here. All right, a link. All right, again, link here. Link. So basically, you just put a link here. Someone's click, it goes to a page. Okay, and then the same thing with all this. For example, social icon. You just click on the social icon, and then what you do is you click on social icon here, and then of course you put your link here. You can put a Facebook page here. So someone's go click on this, okay, Facebook icon here, it goes to your Facebook page, right? For example, my Facebook page, let me just go to a page, facebook.com. let's say example, let me just copy my Facebook page URL, just put it there. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, DMC training. All right, let's look at DMC training. All right, so DMC training, where are you? Okay, there we go. Okay, DMC training. So I'm going to copy this URL. All right, DMC training hub. All right, what to do is I'm going to go back to, okay, right here, you put the link here. All right, so which means okay, of course you can also change the color, the custom color, and so on and so forth. By the way, if you want to change anything like font colors and all this, goes to style. All right, you go to style, you can do different sizes, official color, and also change different things. Like for example, the custom color, this Pullman icon, you can't change much. Only row spacing and so on and so forth, border and radius and all those things as well. But you can change later some of the wording. For example, you want to change color of the words, the fonts and all those things. It can be done this way. So let's say example, I'm just showing you how to edit on the social icon. Of course, here you can also change your your text here, vacations here, books or hotel here, and so on and so forth. We can change this picture to something else. For example, choose an image. Okay, instead of that, I'll choose this. For example, this image, insert in media, so it becomes this image. All right, and then you can change the text here. yeah, blah blah blah, and all those things as well, right? So spending time, for example, spending good, right, time with the loved one, for example. All right, and some of you probably want to change you know, the bold, you want to change it to bold, for example. You can change the bold, right, become bold and all things as well, right? You want to change the font. All right, let's say example, you click on the text, right? This is more on the what do you call it, don't click on the text is basically the coding and all things. You just click on the visual. Now you want to change the font of the wording, and also you just click on style, right? Click on the style. So you change on the text color. At this moment black, you can also change to red, for example. All right, let's say I will change to red, all right, or pink and whatever. You see that's actually changed already from black to this color. And I can even change the typography. Just click on upwards and pencil here, and then at this moment the font family font is actually Roboto. Yeah, actually that's the most common use and actually the best so far, but of course you want to change the other, it's up to you. But I will encourage you not to change those too curvy, too fancy, you know. It's very difficult for people to read. For example, this one, okay, you see that the font also changed already. I'm just doing it for the sake of this demonstrations to you. All right, so once you're done with all those edit already, so what you need to do is make sure you publish, right? So make sure you publish, right? And then just, let's example, I'll click on publish. Okay, now at least it will look something like this, right? It says have a look. Let's have a look on your landing page. Okay, so your landing page will look something like this because you have a header here, because by default one page express theme there's actually a header here, and then this is how it looks like on the other part of the landing page. However, okay, it looks like, oh, this is quite distracting. I want the whole landing page without this header. How do I do it? So let's go back to your dashboard. So what you want to do is you want to exit the Elementor editor first. So what you do is you click on the three line here. Okay, we'll just click on the three line here and then exit to dashboard. You need to go back to the dashboard, right? So when you exit to the dashboard, you will go back to the edit page, okay, where here this part is the whole page. So what you want to do is you go to the right, all right side here, you will find publish. Right beneath publish, there's actually a page attribute, right? So you just scroll down a little bit. At the page attribute, you can see the templates here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the template here, all right? By default, okay, sorry, I just pressed something wrong there, it doesn't matter. So by default, is the template will have the default template, which is the one already using the one page express template. So what I'm going to do is actually want to override that. So what you do is you just click on the drop down here again. You look for Elementor canvas. Canvas basically is cover everything, right? So just click on canvas, and then what you do is you do edit. You need to update, right? You just click on update. Okay, let's go back and have a look on your landing page, right? So we go to the tab where it shows the landing page. All right, this is the tab that we actually have your landing page. This is the previous one with the heading and all things as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh it, and you will see this is the header is no longer there, gone. Okay, bye bye. It's on there already. The whole thing is in the landing page. All right. Now some of you probably will find that there are backgrounds here, right? So there are background here. Generally, what it means by that is actually you have not changed the background. So if you don't see my background, it's because I already removed the background. So in case that you have something at the back there, it's kind of like quite disturbing, right? And I'm just gonna show it to you real quick, right? The reason I don't have it because I kind of sort of like removed already. Now I'm going to show you how actually it's done. Now let me just go back to the appearance, customize. All right, let me show you before actually I remove it. There's actually a background there, right? Let me just do a quick demonstration to show you how it was earlier and how now you can actually remove the background in any case that you really don't like the background. It's kind of disturbing, right? It's actually distracting, huh? So what you do is it goes to, all right, general setting. All right, you go to background image. All right, at this moment you see there's actually no background. My default theme actually there was a background. Okay, there was a background beneath it, right? I couldn't find the background now, right? I kind of remove it already, but doesn't matter. Let's just choose example of this. Just choose a background image. Okay, by default actually it was there. I'm going to publish it first. Okay, now I'm going to show it to you how it looks like. Not 100%, because your background will be something like a building kind of website, something kind of background of the building, right? But however, it will be something like this. It's kind of distracting. So all these like background images and all things as well. So what we're doing is want to get rid of this background. How do you actually get rid of this background? Very simple, as I showed to you already. Okay, it goes to customize, goes to general setting, customize already, right? You go into customize, you go to general setting, you go to background image, and then you just remove the image, and then you click publish. When you click publish, click on publish, then you just refresh. The background no longer there, all right? Unless you want to put some background, nice other background which actually merge well with this background, it's fantastic. Or else that's how you actually boot the background, get rid of the background. All right, so this is how actually you create a landing page from the Elementor template that is provided to you. But of course, please choose the free one unless you are willing to upgrade to the pro version. All right, that's it for today. Now today, in summary, what we will do is actually we teach you how to create a landing page, and then we add template into the landing page, so you don't have to build from scratch. Of course, you can build from scratch if you want to with using Elementor. That's fine too, right? So that's how you can do it. All right, so thank you very much. Okay, I hope you get something for today. All right, so you continue working on your websites, and I'm looking forward to a really good, cool looking website. All right, thank you.